So they cut this in.
Oh yeah. Yes, the jingle. And you know where we are. That's right, we're here at Menards, here in Lincoln, Nebraska, on the north side of town. That's weird. Here's the other Schumacher. Doors opening slowly. It's good too. Smooth. Wiper down. That's funny. Fast door. Rev up. Weird. It's a nice elevator. It's stolen 121. So it's been here for at least 2 years now. It's 2023 as I'm recording this. Pretty quick door operator too. Certificate up there. It says Schumacher. This is that. I find that really funny. Just super satisfying buttons. Schumacher, capacity of 4,500. Schumacher. What should we call it? Shoemaker. Whoop. Watch this. It's gonna close up and then it's gonna ring again. It's a nice one. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.